hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Monica Samanto, and as you read the title, I'm gonna do this A to Z food challenge for the entire day. Now, those who don't know what I'm talking about, so basically, I'm gonna consume food in an alphabetical order throughout the day. Now, this challenge was very famous back in days. I know it's outdated now, but it seemed very fun, so I thought, why not give it a try? So I already have my breakfast ready. I'll show you just in a minute. So this is how my breakfast looks like. Very filling. Like looking at the plate, बहुत ही भारी है. So talking about A, from A I'm gonna have this apple. From B I'm gonna have banana. From C I'm gonna have chiku. From D I'm gonna have these dosas. And from E I'm gonna have this elaichi milk. So I'll enjoy my breakfast and I'll meet you when I have baki ka letters. Hey guys, it's the lunch time and I'm gonna complete baki ka letters. I have completed till E as you saw. Now I'm gonna continue more other alphabets. By the way, I'm gonna go to restaurant and I'm not gonna go
alone.
And I'm not gonna go alone. So yeah, my sisters are gonna accompany me. She's my small sister and she's my elder one and my peach ki murgi ho. So we are gonna go have a lunch and have a good time. और ये challenge के बहाने we are also like enjoying. Do you all wanna introduce yourself?
No.
अरे बोलो यार.
Okay, my name is Priyanka Samanta.
And you?
And my name is Deepika.
Okay, and you know I'm Monica. Okay, चलो अभी लंच करने जाते हैं. बहुत भूख लगी. Are you all
Bye.
hungry? Are you all hungry?
No.
तो क्यों आ रही है? रहे ना घर पे.
मेरे को थोड़ा सा
Because you are alone, that's why
we are going to give a company to you.
नहीं मेरे को कंपनी नहीं चाहिए मेरे साथ. चलो
So,
bye. Hello guys, so it's snacks time and as you can see I have all my snacks ready and to be very honest I'll show you the time. It's currently 9:43. Yeah, so guys काफ़ी time हो गया. It's काफ़ी late I know but I was busy in a work and मुझे बिल्कुल time नहीं मिला that I can continue the further challenge. So let's quickly I'll show you all the things. So the last thing which I had was jeera rice and उसके बाद I had the ice cream. I showed you that. Then from K I have Kit Kat. From L I have Lay's. From M I have Maggie, सबका favorite Maggie. From N I have nachos. From O I have orange juice and P. And the last thing which I'm having for snacks are tea and that is popcorn. So I'm pretty excited to have everything. मतलब सारे ही मेरे favorite है. So yeah, let's start and dive into the snacks. Hey guys, so it's the dinner time और मैंने I'm doing the dinner right after the snacks because as you saw I do not have much time. So coming to the dinner part, from R I'm having this rice. From S we have this sambar. Like, can they see? From S we have this sambar. From T we have this tomato ka chutney. From U we have this uttapa. And from we have this vade. So yeah, this is like a pakka South Indian thali which I'm having right now. And ये obviously सब बाहर से मंगाया है. And yeah, I'm gonna eat and enjoy my dinner.
Rice is from home.
हाँ, ये राइस सब घर का है and like everything is from बाहर. And yeah, that is it for the dinner. I'll enjoy my dinner and I'll meet you when I have my last alphabets, which is W, X, Y, and Z. Hey guys, so I have come to the end of the challenge and it's dessert time. So for dessert, so I have found this Winnie from W. मैंने अपना front camera चालू किया है, that's why you can't see, but it's from W and it's called as Winnie. So I'm gonna have this. So from X I'm gonna have this choco stick and it's called Extreme. So I'm gonna have this for X. And for Y I'm gonna have very safe yogurt. It's the blueberry flavor. And for Z, this is my least favorite. And it's zucchini. मैंने थोड़ा slice करके ऊपर नमक और chili powder sprinkle कर लिया just to like make it taste good. And I know it tastes very bad, so yeah. ये सबसे last dish है and it's the worst dish from the entire day. अगर मुझे ये बोलना हो which is the worst dish, it will be this. I know it's very like healthy, but I don't like the taste, so yeah. So let's start and let's eat and let's end the challenge. So I'll start with Winnie. I'll give you some rating. How is it?
2,000 years later.
Yeah, so we have something like this. Pav ke andar I think there is cream. No way. So this is yogurt and let's have a taste. Very nice. Now it's time for the burger. I need to eat it. So let's eat it. बहुत ज़्यादा pieces नहीं काट दिया तूने? तेरे को तो खाना है. Zombie. Okay, so guys, as you saw, we are done with today's challenge, and I think I passed it. What do you all think?
No.
Did I pass it?
Yes.
Obviously, I did.
Yes, obviously.
Yeah, I did everything.
What
from
was
A
the
to
thing
Z.
that she didn't do?
Q. Oh fuck! You didn't tell me that I didn't do that.
I just
got it. Okay, I already had something to eat from Q. I'll just bring it over here and eat it. So guys, from Q I was gonna have this Quaker oats और मैं इसको ऐसे कच्चा चबाने वाली थी. But I forgot, guys. I don't know what happened.
I reminded her.
Yeah.
I reminded
She
her.
just reminded. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat it in front of you. I know I like really messed up with the alphabetical order, but what can I do? I'm just a human and I forgot it. This is not a good idea. Don't eat it. Yeah, so that was it for today's video, and as you saw, I didn't fail. Like थोड़ा सा mistake हो गया था बीच में, but I did it. Like at the end, because of her, I was like able to like what? Complete it. Yes. And by the way, all the things, all the credit goes to this madam right over here. She's very smally and उसने सब कुछ किया, like talking about the breakfast, the dinner, the snacks, सब कुछ preparation was done by this. Okay, so guys, do you want to watch any like videos with them? Do let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so we just shifted our places. So yeah, just wanted to say like, share and subscribe to my channel and what? And follow me on my Instagram. I will also attach her Instagram ID in the description. Do you want them? Baki and even hers.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, by the way, hers is a private account. She has a like open account, and even my account is open. So do follow there, and yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Okay, guys, this is Priyanka Samanta.
This is Deepika Samanto.
Really? And she's having her yogurt. सब खत्म हो गया. What are you doing? I'm just gonna. दीदी ऊपर आ यार.